Hi everyone, welcome back. I figured since the holidays are right around the corner, let's create a really fun, tasty treat nail look by creating cake nails. I have been dying to do a cake nail look for so long now, and I figured what better way to just celebrate the holidays with a really fun cake-inspired nail look. So I grabbed a whole bunch of products from my favorite brand, Sweetie Nails, and I figured let's just dive into this to see what we create. I really do not have a vision for this besides I know I want to use a frosting style silicone mold, and I know I want to use the Cris clays. But that's really the only vision that I have for this, so I figured let's just piece this together as we go to see what we create. So that's the style video that we're going to do. It's just going to be a watch me create a really fun set. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So without further ado, let's get into these fun holiday cake nails, and everything that we are using in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you're having a fabulous holiday season, and I'll see you all in the next one.
hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow